Good morning. How are you, my students? I hope that you are all fine. I am Teacher Ella and we will start a new math period on today, Wednesday, April 8, 2020. Get ready, bring out your box and your pencils and start watching this video with me. Our subject for today will be about adding and subtracting length. Our objectives for today is add and subtract length, solve problems involving length. We studied in the previous periods that we can measure length using different units: centimeter, meter, and kilometer. In today's period, we will learn together how to add and subtract the length of objects that has the length in meter and centimeter or in kilometer and meter. To find out how can we add and subtract length, let's see the following examples. Example number 1. Tom has an orange cloth. He used 1 meter and 50 centimeter of this cloth to make a shirt, and he used 1 meter and 20 centimeter to make a t-shirt. How much cloth does Tom need to make both the shirt and the t-shirt all together? In example number 1, to find out how much cloth did he use all together, we have to find the total of the two cloth that he used to make the t-shirt and the shirt. So we have to add 1 meter and 50 centimeters to 1 meter and 20 centimeters. To do this, we have to do plus for the centimeters first. Then we add the meters. So 50 centimeters plus 20 centimeters equals 70 centimeters. In step number 2, we will add the meters. 1 meter plus 1 meter. 1 meter plus 1 meter equals 2 meters. So we can say that he used 2 meters and 70 centimeters of a cloth to make the shirt and the t-shirt. If the whole cloth length was 6 meters and 90 centimeters, then so how much cloth was left with him after he finished? To find out how much cloth was left with him, we subtract how much cloth did he use from how much cloth does he have all together. So 6 meters and 90 centimeters minus 2 meters and 70 centimeters. To find out the answer, we have to follow the same steps we used in the addition. So we have to do minus for the centimeters first, then in step number 2, we will do minus for meters. So 90 centimeters minus 70 centimeters equal 20 centimeters. In step number 2, we will do minus for the meters. So 6 meters minus 2 meters equal 4 meters. So he still has 4 meters and 20 centimeters cloth. So 4 meters and 20 centimeter cloth was left with him. In this example, we will solve problems in kilometer and meter. Ari went to the shopping mall with his car. The distance between his house and the shopping mall is 4 kilometers and 300 meters. After he finished shopping in the mall, he went to the park, and the distance between the shopping mall and the park is 5 meters and 250 meters. So find out the total distance between his house and the park. We will follow the same steps that we used to add meters and centimeters. We will add the meters first, write down our answers, then add the kilometers and write down our answers. So 300 meters plus 250 meters equal 550 meters. Now add the kilometers. 4 kilometers plus 5 kilometers. 4 kilometers plus 5 kilometers equal 9 kilometers. So the total distance between the house and the park is 9 kilometers and 550 meters. Tom went to his school in the morning. After the school, he decided to go to his grandmother's house. Now, what is the distance that he has to move from his grandmother's house to go back home? To find out the distance between the house and the grandmother's house, we must subtract the distance between school and the grandmother's house from the whole distance between the school and the house. So 8 kilometers, 670 meters minus 3 kilometers, 200 meters. We must do minus for the meters first, then we do minus for the kilometers. So 670 meters minus 200 meters equal 470 meters. In the second step, 8 kilometers minus 3 kilometers equal 5 kilometers. So the distance between the house and the grandmother's house is 5 kilometers and 470 meters. Find the answer for the following addition. 8 kilometers, 700 meters, plus 1 kilometer, 400 meters. As usual, we will start by adding the meters. 700 meters plus 400 meters equal 1100 meters. We know that each 1000 meter equal 1 kilometer. So we can change the number 1100 meter and write it as kilometers and meters. So 1100 meter can be written in kilometers as 1 kilometer and 100 meter. Let's go back to our question. 1100 meter will become 1 kilometer and 100 meter. Now let's add the kilometers. We have 8 kilometers plus 1 kilometer equal 9 kilometers. Plus this kilometer will be 10 kilometers. So the answer is 10 kilometers, 100 meters. Now what if you have 8 kilometers, 200 meters, minus 3 kilometers and 300 meters? Try to subtract the meters first. You will find that 200 meters is less than 300 meters. So we have to regroup the kilometers and the meters into 7 kilometers and 1200 meters. Now 1200 meters minus 300 meters equal 900 meters. And 7 kilometers minus 3 kilometers equal 4 kilometers. So 8 kilometers, 200 meters minus 3 kilometers, 300 meters equal 4 kilometers and 900 meters. You can find this example in your workbook, page 61. What do we have to fill in the missing blanks? Kilometers and meters. To fill the blanks, we have to subtract 5 kilometers, 100 meter minus 1 kilometer, 36 meters. In the first step, we will subtract meters. 100 meters minus 36 meters. 100 minus 36 equals 64 meters. In the second step, we will subtract the kilometers. 5 kilometers minus 1 kilometer equal 4 kilometers. So the answer is 4 kilometers and 64 meters. So we have to write in the missing blanks 4 kilometers and 64 meters. This is the end of our math period for today. Your homework is to do page 60 in the workbook. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I am waiting for you to share your answers with me on the group. I hope to see you soon. See you next time and goodbye.